We'll get screen share rocking and rolling. $100. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. How's everyone's morning? How do you guys all do? Talk to me. How'd we all end up for the day? I know how you ended up if you traded solely with me. Too much discipline. I'm not sure that's a thing. I watched you and Greg make a bag and sat there like a chump. Why do you sit there? Why didn't you execute? Not saying that's a bad thing. I'm just genuinely curious. Why didn't you execute? New to Trade of 8. I didn't know your stop turns into a sell order if not canceled properly. Almost fried my accounts. Yep. That's exactly right. You have to make sure that you cancel all your stop losses. If you don't, or if you end up canceling your order. Today ended up being a very rangy day. Look at this. All you guys better be signed up for the free masterclass. Each and every one of y'all better be signed up for the free masterclass December 29th and 30th. I'm not going to shut up about it because it will change your life. DOD, the path to profitability in 2026. I'm going all in. Going all in, baby. If you've ever been to a Jdun webinar, you know. People need the DOD model. It changes lives. I agree. I've seen it happen over and over again. It really does change lives. Do I like longs? I mean, I like them more than shorts based on our VPA. I honestly don't take a lot of trades during power hour though. Like I get on and we mostly talk psychology. We talk about the morning. There is the occasional time I will take a trade during power hour, but it's not super common. Like longs here. I already read that. Oh my gosh, look at Tesla. I had a feeling that was going to happen. What a strong name. Literally retested the 15-minute orb high and just held. Ripped. I might trade. I mean, I'm just saying I don't force trades. I don't trade just to trade. That's what you have to understand when you join any live stream with me. The founder of the DOD model. I am not going to just trade for the sake of taking a trader. People join my lives. They say, Jdun, I need to take a trade, take a trade, take a trade, take a trade, take a trade. I'm like, bro, that's not how you consistently make money over time. I'm trying to show you guys good risk management. I'm trying to show you guys what systematic trading looks like on a day-to-day basis. People love dopamine. They want to trade. They want to hit buy. I get it. Especially with these prop firms, it's very easy to just buy with minimal consequences. I understand, but it's not the smartest thing to do. Jdun is the GOAT in terms of patience. Appreciate you, bro. I'm going to give you every single step-by-step part of your plan for 2026 in the free masterclass December 29th and 30th too. I'm super excited. So you don't just have motivation going into 2026, but you have an actual plan. December 29th and 30th, locked in. Let's go. I mean, I'd still look for longs here. Longs are technically valid at this level. If you're trading the 15-minute orb, you can technically wait for a pullback. What's the low of this? 310? Technically speaking, a pullback here and a longs entry is valid with a price target of 390, but I'm not fully confident in it. Oh, whoops. I'm not sharing screen. I forgot to enable it. Sorry, guys. Yep, this masterclass is different. I mean, you'll learn some of the same things, but you're going to learn something new too. I guarantee you learn something new. I wish I could offer a time back guarantee. Like if you don't value your time, if you don't get your time's worth from the webinar I give you, I'd gift you some of my time. And time is the most valuable thing that we have. That's why a lot of you are learning how to trade is you want to buy back your time, right? So that's my guarantee is if I could give you a time back guarantee where I could give you time out of my life, I could take time away from my life and give you your time back for the free webinar, I would. Because I know you're going to get value. I know you're not going to want that time back. I know that. I guarantee that. Because I go hard teaching these. I enjoy seeing people learn. I want you to have a better year 2026 than you had in 2025. That starts with discipline. Feel me? Yep, freedom, both time and financial. That's right. Down step. Yep, I'm trying to tell y'all so many times. So many times I've tried to tell y'all, and nobody listens. Top step's not the way anymore. Unless you want to be a part of down step. No. If I had to take a trade right now, I would take longs. I'd take longs with stops below 310. I'm not in a trade. I got to disagree with Take Profit Trader. I think Tradeify just outbeat them. This is the real Jdun. Yep. Code Jdun will also work with Apex as well for $19.60 evals on the 50K. Yeah, Apex is the best for scalability, for sure. For sure the best. I will give Tradeify a shot using code Jdun. Nah, man. Appreciate you, bro. You're the man. Yep, select plan. Selects are the best. That's the plan that's going to have similar plans to top step or down step and take profit trader. And there's no intraday trailing. Yep, code JDUN on Apex. Well, so much for that long I was looking at. So when I'm looking for a long on a retest like this, right, guys? Hold on. If you guys are looking for a long on a retest like this, you can still technically be valid, but with how slow price is moving, you'd have to keep your risk below. So you enter here. You'd want to target that pre-market high, and your risk would have to be below this 5-minute candle. So you'd have a 2R here. So you could technically, at 1R, you could target just above our 15-minute high. And if you do that, guys, if you want screen share, you gotta go to YouTube, bro. YouTube, Trading View. Jdun Trades on YouTube. That's where the full screen share is, or in Team Bull. I'll give a few y'all like 30 seconds to go over to YouTube if you want the screen share. Jdun Trades. That's where I have both live streams every day. If you want to hit the road, then let's go. Then what did gold do today? Gold had a downtrend today too. We in the YouTube and the Discord and all the streams. All right, so if you were to take this trade, you would need to target above this 15-minute high with the risk below here. Now, the reason I don't like this is because we closed that 5-minute below, and whenever you have an aggressive full body candle like you see here, especially if this had higher volume, there'd be no way I'd be looking anywhere in here for longs. But because we have lowering volume, it still could be valid, but you'd want to see one more little push up and a close back above. If we get that close above this 15-minute high, we should see a retest of these previous highs, and then up to that pre-market high. The glitch today blew your account. DOD. I traded gold a few times. Trade Zella or Tradeivate. I mean, they're different softwares. So like, there's not really any debate. Like, there's not really any comparison there. TradeZella is a journaling software. There's not really like, it's kind of apples and oranges. You feel me? I do rock with TradeZella though. And I also prefer Tradeovate for futures trading. You could have fight it. You could have tried it. As a reminder, too, guys, today is the last day for Apex's 90% off sale. If you guys want to stack up some accounts, the 50Ks are only $19.60. So I always recommend when you can get cheap evals, and if you want to be a bit more aggressive with them, that's the best time to do it, is when they're cheap like they are today. And your biggest risk is $20 an account. If you don't pass it, no biggie. If you do pass it, $65 to activate. Your all-in cost is $84. Even if you get 5, right? Let's say you get 5. You 5x your chance of passing. And that's $100 there. Plus you pass one of them. That's $65 activation. You're $165 in. All in for 50K funded account that has what? You can get a max payout of like $2,000 if you hit all the requirements. That's a pretty good risk reward if you ask me. Yep, I've held all my Tesla. You can get the more expensive ones, but why would I not tell you to get the bigger and more expensive ones? Why even? So as having an affiliate with these prop firms, okay, it would benefit me more if you spent more, right? Why do I tell you guys to get the cheaper accounts? And why do I tell you to choose DOD? It's the same reasons. Because I want you guys to succeed. So yes, you could get a 300K account, but your odds of passing and getting paid out are much lower than, say, with a 50K. Your second best odds are going to come from 150K. The drawdown makes a lot more sense. I want you guys to manage your risk better and spend minimal while you guys are learning and while you guys are building up. Apex does pay out. They paid out more than any other firm. Just have to follow the rules. So max payout is $2,000 in your first payout. Your payouts become uncapped. There's that push-up we were looking for. Your payouts become uncapped after 6, your 6th payout. Go away. I have not gone to the gym yet. I had some things to do. I also put a Christmas tree at the office. I'll be trading live in person. So, by the way, if you're in Team Bull, and you're in Colorado or you want to drive to Colorado or fly here for Friday, you can come and trade live with me. Just DM me on Discord at the office. Damn, look at that move. $390. We pull back here. Let's try some longs. If we pull back here, this actually looks decent. 341. I'd like to see like 360. I'm going to try a baby piece of longs on this pullback. 360s. We're at 368. Let's see. 367. What's the low here? 340. Let's see if we can get down to 360 exactly. I'm green on the day, so I'm not going to give back much. I'm going to start a starter piece of longs, guys. Starter piece of longs there, down there. I'd like for us to test this 390. If you're part of Team Bull, you can fly out here for sure. Totally. You're welcome to fly here if you're part of Team Bull. I mean, why would I fly you out here? I don't mean that in an arrogant way, but why would I fly you out just to be nice? You can come trade, and I mean that in the most respectful way if you're part of Team Bull. But you're welcome to come if you're part of Team Bull, Premium Discord. I did try a piece of micros down here, guys, for the longs. With a hard stop at 40. It's like 20 points of risk, a little over. Is drop step down? Probably. The firm sucks. I gave the longs a go down here, everybody. Only with micros, though. I'd like to see us go and touch 390 for my price target. Been waiting too long. Ain't too long. So technically, I have 23 points of risk. My average is 63. What up, Jen? I'm being naughty. I took a trade. It's just with micros, though. And it's up, well, depending on your ad. If you got the 60 ad, it's up nice. I'm up like 8 points. I'd like to see us go test 90, break these highs, and go up and test like that pre-market high. I'm going to the gym later today. I dropped the tree off at the office. Come on. There we go. There we go, guys. That's what we're looking for. There we go. This is what we're looking for, guys. Let's go. This is what we were looking for. If you guys want to trim, you feel free to trim. Slower, but I'd like to see 90. That's my price target, is 90. It's my price target. So far, everyone should be green. There we go, guys. I'm taking off a few of my contracts here, setting stops at break even. There we go, everybody. Yo, let's go. This is what we wanted to see, baby. Let's go. Yes. I'm offloading some of my micros. Let's go, guys. I'm going to move my rest of my stops now. These last few micros to break even. Let's move these up to break even. Let's actually move them to like 68. Nice job, everybody. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Did anyone take this with me, or am I trading by myself? Anyone take this with me or no? If any of you guys took this trade, type W in the chat. I want to get a roll call. Who all took the trade? Who all took that and make some money with me? Lots of W's. Damn, nice. And we're still moving, baby. Stops at break even. Little winner during power hour. Let's go. I told y'all pay down was showing up. I told y'all. We're still moving up, guys. Trail your stops up. Let it keep moving. Let's go. Pay done. 30-point trade so far. We're at 30 points, and we're still moving. So we're at like 1.5 R. I'm going to take one more baby runner off. Here, I'm going to leave my final runner to either go to break even or to just run until the wheels fall off. Nice job, guys. If you have down steps, then you didn't get to take this. So there you go. If you're trading with me, if you got any evals today for Tradeify or Apex with code Jdun, hopefully that has helped you guys pass or get close to passing. 30 points with basically no drawdown. What'd we have? Like 5 points of drawdown? 4 points? Even if you full ported, that wouldn't be enough to take you down. My final price target is a break above 400. We look good so far. Volume looks great if we can get this close above pre-market high. I'd like to see us continue up and get like a 50 to 60 points out of this. Damn, we haven't caught a power hour banger in a minute, guys. I honestly don't really trade here a whole lot, but today's setup looked good. And we're still going to let this run. I'd like to see above 400. And I'm just going to keep trailing my stops up. I'm in super light, so. Nice. 400, guys. If you haven't secured your gains yet, I highly recommend you, what's it called? You take some off. Highly recommend. I trade VPA, baby. That was awesome, guys. It's still running. It's still running. Hard stops are at 65. We're just going to let this puppy cook. I mean, why would we stop completely? We got the 5-minute close above pre-market high. We look like we want to go retest high day at 410. And there we are. Let's let it keep running, guys. Let's go. Only TJR is a real trader. I like TJR. I'm friends with TJR, so I don't know if you're trying to bait me into talking T. He's a nice guy. He's always been kind to me. These guys think they can come in and press me to cause drama. Like, I don't have beef with anybody. People might have beef with me, but I make too much money to have beef with people. It's funny. People always want me to get in drama with these other traders. I'm like, trading is hard already. I make enough money. I don't. People that don't make money trading are the ones who sit there and gossip and drama. Guys, let's go. We're at high a day from those longs. We're almost at 60 points. Almost at 60 points, guys. Let's keep this last one running. Let's let it keep moving. Let's go, everybody. This was awesome. Literally textbook break, solid volume, managed risk. I'm with you. Oh. I'm glad you guys caught some of that. Hopefully it helped you guys end your day green. All I ask in return is that you guys please sign up for the free webinar if you're looking to better your life in 2026. That is the most meaningful thing I can do for you guys. When you guys tell me that DOD's changed your life, it is bigger than any amount of money. We are still moving, guys. Absolute nuke. Absolute nuke. $70 points. The link is in announcements. If you click here in announcements, you'll see it. Oh my gosh. 63 is my entry. Absolute nuker of a trade. We're going for mega trade. Oh man, that was awesome. Almost 80 points. We want the mega trade to 63. We want the mega trade to 63. Now, if any of y'all are trading with Top Step, this is your sign to get off Drop Step and get yourself a Tradeify Select account or an Alpha Futures Advanced account using code Jdun. I want to help you pass your challenges. I want to help you guys get paid and build confidence and choose DOD and help you make money in 2026. But how am I supposed to do that if your broker never works? Time for y'all to get off Top Step. Blue 2 evals, but pass 3. Thanks for the day. You're welcome. As a reminder, guys, Team Bull is hosting a free webinar, 100% free, to end the year on December 29th and December 30th. So make sure if you guys want access, you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades. Mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the free webinar to end the year. JDUN Trades on IG. What an absolute nuke, guys. That was so awesome. It's rare I call power hour trades, but I had a feeling today. I got on. I was like, yep. I like where we're heading with price. Looks good. DOD paid again. That was great, guys. Oh, boy, oh, boy. I was up 500 on Top Step and it crashed. Well, that's why you got to get off Top Step. Go to Tradeify. Use code JDUN, get 35% off. And you choose the select plan. Then when you pass, which I will happily help you do and do my best to do, choose the blue pill, just like Top Step. Inside of me. I'm about to throw in some Nickelback. Caught y'all winning trades, so y'all can't even talk shit. Got some 3 doors down on right now. Darkness, there's a lot. Maybe I'm just blind. We went all wrong. If you guys haven't registered yet, too, I'm going to put... Well, I like the daily payout one, but I'm saying if you guys like Top Step, it's the blue pill's more similar to Top Step. That's why I was saying blue pill. Daily payouts is red pill. He's gone. Can I dunk? Are you kidding me? I agree with the daily payouts option. I think it's better. It's like asking if I can trade. Of course. I'm 6'7", my boy. I hoop my whole life. If you guys got them from the Power Hour, please tag me and push your gains. Here's the deal. If 10 of y'all that made money during Power Hour tag me and post your gains and say Power Hour gains, we'll do an afternoon rogue code for Apex. How about that? We'll do an afternoon rogue code only for the people who are on stages with us right now. So you'll have a much better chance of winning too. There's only 103 people on right now. We'll see how bad y'all want it. Should you catch the reversal? If it signifies reversal, I mean, you can as long as your risk is managed. Lovely when I'm gone. Do I have a code for drop step? I wouldn't take a drop step code if they offered me all the money in the world now. With how much problems they have, it'd be a disaster. Heck no. The code will be in here, but there's only been one person who's posted. Gotta tag me and say power hour, baby. Power hour gains, DOD. I would not take a code if they offered me one for money. You know how many firms have offered me money to have their codes? A lot. I've turned down more money than you could probably imagine in the most respectful way from lots of different CFD firms, even different futures prop firms, cryptos. I could have bought a lot of Lamborghinis with different affiliate money, but I'm very, very selective of who I work with as an affiliate. So I know that my name goes behind that. So if I'm going to work with someone, I'm going to be able to back up and have full trust that they'll pay you out if you follow the rules. I don't trade ICT. I actually prefer making money. I always like to use that joke. You guys know I do. I do affiliate with Apex. I got a $50,000 payout from him. If you follow the rules in Apex, you get paid. Is it easy? No, but it's also the most scalable firm. Roids and rentals. Yes. Those are my two favorite things. Lots of trend and trend days. Power hour DOD. ICT traders on the 30-second time frame. Effing soldiers. Alpha Futures is good too. Yep, I have a partnership with Alpha Futures as well. I'd recommend the advanced accounts, and you can use code Jdun. Starting a cash futures account. AMP is good. Tradeavate's great. Tradeavate's margins are great. Something happens with Top Step almost every day. That's why I tell y'all to avoid. If you're on Top Step, just go to Tradeify and choose the select, funded next and choose the legacy, or alpha and choose the advanced plan. That's it. 3 great alternatives, all of which I do have partnerships with. You can use code JDown. I appreciate your support. And they will genuinely be better options for you than Top Step. Just use Tradeivate. Don't. I dumped Top Step last month. Switched to Apex using your code. Thank you, CJ. Funded Next is good too. Holy shit, is that MOC? I was like, what? What was that jump? It was MOC. That makes sense. Not that surprising. Why are you not replying to me? What are you asking? How much can one make on first payout for 300K Apex? I'm not sure what the exact payout cap is on that. It's higher, but it's also harder. It's higher profit target. So you might be able to take more, but it's also... Guys, you got to understand, don't prop firms just want you to lose to get you to buy more accounts. I mean, that's their model, is they make money off traders losing, but the traders losing doesn't have to be you. That's what you have to understand. Take only what you need from it. Come on, give us high a day, baby. What you need from it, don't. What a freaking pump we caught, guys. We caught the mega freaking trade pump. The mega freaking trade pump of all pumps. That was dope. We need 63 to get mega trade. I was only trading micros, but still caught a nice bag. We'll take it. Family of trees, don't. Oh, we're catching vibes today, baby. We're catching vibes today, baby. We almost got 100 points today. I held that trade real nice. You got to give me that. We caught it damn near 100 points during Power Hour. Damn near 100 points. Appreciate you, bro. Y'all never understand when people are like, Jdun, you don't call it your trades. I'm like, bro, like, respectfully, what? Like, are you deaf or are you blind? Well, probably deaf, because I I call out everything very transparently. You know, I don't know if maybe people. You know what I think the problem is that people expect my trading style is I take 1, 2, 3 good trades a day. Okay. When people come in and they don't listen to my full 2-hour stream, of course you think that I don't call out trades. You know? Like, you got to be on for the whole stream. I'm not in a trade every second. I am out in Colorado. Yep. Holy shit, Tesla's at all-time highs. That definitely helped our position. As a reminder, too, guys, final chance. We got 3 minutes left. Apex is 90% off. Ends today. Need you right now. Let's go, Ryan. Apex is 90% off. Yep, with code Jdun. You can stack as many accounts as you like, and you can activate up to 20 at a time. Any TPT coupons? No, but Tradeify is better anyway. Go to Tradeify and choose the select plan. Better than Take Profit Trader. No, there's nobody by my side. Don't. When I hear when I need you the most, so. Days 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tradeify is better because their eval is 3-day pass instead of 5. We also have end of day drawdown versus intraday drawdown. So if you like TPT, you'll love Tradeify's new select plan. I recommend you switch. Damn, what a drop. I mean, I prefer red pill, but blue pill, you can get top step style payout structure. Damn, look at that drop. All right, guys, we're back at entry, guys. Completely out of that trade. That was so awesome, catching that 63 up to damn near, up to 43, 80 points. 80 points during power hour. That's something we'll take all day, every day. And if we were still intraday, I'd look for a continuation short if we were still trading like in New York session. That was awesome, guys. That was amazing. That was incredible. All right, TikTok, here's the deal. If you're new here, I try to go live on Power Hour a decent amount, but my main stream is in the morning. So make sure you guys hit that follow button if you want all my trades. I keep around an 80% win rate. I give all my trades live in real time. You can ask chat. They'll tell you. All you have to do is hit that follow button and join me tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Eastern time. Same thing with YouTube. I'm live on YouTube every morning at Jdun Trades. There's nobody, I'm very confident in this. There's nobody doing what for the live trading community what I am. Between helping you stay disciplined, giving you winning trades, showing you in real time what it takes, and giving you all the tools to make more money, get funded, and get paid. I'm confident in that. It's the best place to learn and see live trading in real time. There's some good people, but I do my best to be the best to help y'all. So I'm confident in my ability to do that. So I appreciate y'all being here. Make sure y'all tap in at that follow button. And if you guys want access to my free end of the year masterclass, DOD, the path to profitability in 2026, send me a DM right now on Instagram, Jdun Trades, and I will personally respond to you and send you the link right now. I'm going to get on my DMs for about 30 minutes. JDUN Trades on Instagram. Yep, send me a DM if you want access. Mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the free masterclass. You'd like access to my whole strategy and system. I'm breaking down my entire strategy, everything A to Z. Nothing's being held back. So trade smart, trade safe. I appreciate y'all being here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, all right? I will see all of you beautiful, beautiful people tomorrow morning, okay? Thank you for being a part of Team Bull, and I'll see you tomorrow. It's also in my TikTok bio. Yes. Yep, it's in my TikTok bio as well. Lock in your seat. God bless y'all. Peace. Adios, everybody. Thank you guys for being here. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Eastern time, 30 minutes before open. Peace.